So next one is displacement reaction. It is a type of reaction in which we talk about some reactivity series of metal. The arrangement of metals in a decreasing order of their reactivity are known as reactivity series. Okay, you need to see this reactivity series is given in table 4.2. This one. Okay, so this one is reactivity series. Okay, in which some elements are given: potassium, sodium, barium, calcium, magnesium, aluminum, zinc, iron, nickel, tin, lead, hydrogen, copper, mercury, silver and gold. Okay, so these all elements are given with their symbols, and the reactivity is given in decreasing in order. It means that whatever the elements present upper in this activity series, like potassium, sodium, these all are very reactive, most reactive, and whatever the elements present bottom, which are less reactive, means sodium, potassium are very reactive and silver and gold are less reactive. You need to draw this table in your notebook and remember it. Okay, so please see table 4.1 in which there is comparison of properties of metal and non-metal are given. You can see how metals and non-metals differentiate with each other with their physical and chemical properties. Okay, metals. So basically the physical property of metals, I am going to revise it. Generally solid at room temperature, lustrous, generally hard, generally have a high density, movable and ductile, and good conductor of heat and electricity, generally have a high melting point and boiling point. And third one is sonorous. So first one generally solid except mercury, second one lustrous, third one generally hard, fourth one generally high density, fifth mobility and ductility, movable and ductile, good conductor of heat and electricity, generally have high melting point and boiling point, and sonorous. Okay, the physical property of non-metals are solid, liquid, gas at room temperature. They are either solid, liquid or gas at room temperature. Not lustrous except graphite, comparatively soft except diamond, generally have low density, generally brittle when solid, bad conductors of heat and electricity except graphite, generally have low melting points and boiling point, not sonorous, do not react with acidic oxide with oxygen, do not react with water, do not react with acid. So the chemical properties of non-metal is non-metals do not react with water and acid, do not react with water and acid, and it form acidic oxide with oxygen. Whenever it react with oxygen, it form acidic oxide. And the chemical properties of metals are generally basic oxide with oxygen, it form basic oxide when it react with oxygen. Metals, it form oxide of hydroxide with the water and hydrogen, and it metals above hydrogen in the reactivity series displace the hydrogen for the dilute acid. So metals react with oxygen, water and acid. Okay, but non-metal only react with oxygen to form acidic oxide, but it do not react with water and acid. Okay, hydrogen for non-metal is placed in a series because it is form of positive ion like metals, and a metal can replace another metal below in the reactivity series but cannot replace a metal when placed in a activity series. See, if high reactive elements are present in any reaction, then that element displaces the another less reactive element. It means that if we compare aluminum and zinc, okay, if you compare aluminum and zinc, aluminum come upper in reactivity series. So whenever aluminum and zinc are exist in any chemical reaction with their compound, always aluminum displace zinc because aluminum is more reactive element than zinc. Okay, this phenomenon is as similar as applicable for each and every element of this reactivity series. Which one is high most reactive? That displace least reactive elements. Okay, and such reaction in which one metal displace another from its salt solution, they are said to be displacement reaction. Let us see example. Okay, here it is seem like inverted, but just imagine this is magnesium, this is copper sulfate CuSO4, and copper displace in product. Okay, magnesium displace copper, okay, and make magnesium sulfate, and this copper is displaced, okay, by this compound. Okay, so magnesium take place in this compound in place of copper, and copper displaced. So this type of reaction are said to be displacement reaction. Okay, so those reaction in which more or most reactive element displace less reactive element are known as